When we sit down for meditation, instead of watching the breath, our mind goes into a train of thoughts. You might start a fantasy about someone, or you might start thinking about all that work you have to finish at office today. Wonder when you could go on that vacation you have been planning for so long. But wait, where is the money to go on that vacation? Sigh. 15 minutes later we might wake up and realize we have spent the entire time daydreaming, fantasizing and worrying instead of watching the breath. Instead of experiencing calm and peace, we experience a range of emotions, including fear and anxiety. Meet Meditaide. It is an app based upon meditation research that senses when your mind is stuck in such a train of thoughts and alerts you so that you can come back to watching the breath. So you spend more time experiencing calm and peace during your meditation rather than those negative emotions of fear and anxiety. To use the app, simply tie a belt around your belly. Choose the meditation duration on the app and the thought detection sensitivity. Click on the Start button to start the session. Now tuck in the phone under the belt. Meditaide plays soothing sounds of falling rain in the background throughout the session, and when it detects that you are daydreaming, it plays the sound of birds chirping to alert you to come back and watch the breath. To get the best out of the app, it is important that when you breathe you do it slowly. The duration of one breath cycle of inhalation and exhalation should be more than 8 seconds. Also, your belly should rise and fall on each inhalation and exhalation by the same amount. Meditaide works by looking at this movement and alerting you when the duration of the breath falls below the threshold or the rise and fall of the belly is lesser than that in the previous breath. Meditaide, the mind-reading app. Download now.